Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the core offer and assets. This matters because clarity drives upvotes. Once done, set up your Product Huntmaker account and verify email and social profiles so you avoid friction at launch. Next, compose a concise 90-120 word description that states benefits, include 3 images and 1 demo link. This makes it easy for hunters to understand and try the product immediately. Make sure these elements are mobile optimized, because many users browse on phones. On launch day, post at 00:01 PSD to capture the full front page window. Timing affects discovery. Then, 1-2 hours before posting, ping 50-200 targeted supporters with a short ask and link so they're ready to vote quickly. Fast early traction signals relevance. After the post, monitor comments and reply within 1 to 2 minutes to sustain conversation and encourage more interaction. Also, update the post if you fix bugs or add new screenshots. Transparency builds trust, and as the day closes, amplify the hunt by sharing pinned tweets, a short newsletter note, and messages to your founders' networks within the first 6 hours to maintain velocity. While promoting, track views, upvotes, and referrals hourly so you can tweak the copy or swap in better screenshots to improve conversion. If traction is weak, don't panic. Reach out to the Product Huntmaker network, refresh visual assets, and consider reposting next high visibility cycle. This troubleshooting often reveals the missing clarity or timing issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.